The most common pricing methods for electrical work are firstly per square foot, typically used for large projects or commercial buildings where costs vary depending on factors such as the scope of work, square footage, and local market conditions. Secondly, per receptacle or fixture, which is a flat rate that includes materials and labor for each specific item. Thirdly, per hour, billed at an hourly rate for labor, plus materials, and this method is typically used for small projects or hourly services. Here are some suggested pricing guidelines for per square foot. Charge approximately $2.50 to $4.0 per square foot for residential work and $4.0 to $6.0 per square foot for commercial work. Per receptacle, charge approximately $30 to $60 per receptacle, including materials and labor. For heavy-duty or specialized outlets, charge more. Per recess can, charge approximately $75 to $150 per can, including materials and labor, but more complex recess cans or special features may warrant higher prices. When setting prices, consider the following factors. Firstly, scope of work, which involves determining the specific requirements of the project, including the number of outlets, fixtures, and other electrical components. Secondly, materials, where the cost of materials can vary significantly, so use high-quality materials to ensure durability and customer satisfaction. Thirdly, labor costs. Factor in the cost of your labor, including hourly wages, benefits, and overhead expenses. Fourthly, market conditions. Research the local market to understand what competitors are charging for similar work. Fifthly, experience and reputation. As you gain more experience and establish a reputation for quality work, you can charge higher prices. Here are some tips for competitive bidding. Firstly, thoroughly review the project plans and specifications to understand the scope of work to provide an accurate bid. Secondly, be willing to negotiate within reasonable limits to secure the project. Thirdly, consider offering additional services, such as home automation or energy efficiency consulting, to differentiate yourself from competitors. Fourthly, positive customer reviews and testimonials can enhance your credibility and justify high prices. Finally, promote your services through online platforms, social media, and networking events to market your business. It's important to consider the scope of work, materials, labor costs, market conditions, and your experience and reputation when setting prices. Thoroughly review project plans, negotiate, offer value-added services, and gather testimonials to enhance your credibility and justify your prices. Market your business through online platforms, social media, and networking events. Remember to factor in all costs, including materials, labor, and overhead, when determining your pricing. Consider the complexity of the project and any potential challenges that may arise. Research local market conditions to understand what competitors are charging and adjust your prices accordingly. As you gain experience and build a reputation for quality work, you can gradually increase your prices. Don't be afraid to negotiate with clients, but always ensure that you are fairly compensated for your time and expertise. Providing excellent customer service and building strong relationships with clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. Continuously evaluate your pricing strategies and make adjustments as needed to stay competitive and profitable. Consider offering different pricing options, such as fixed price contracts or hourly rates, to meet the diverse needs of your clients. Stay up to date with industry trends and advancements in technology to offer cutting-edge solutions and justify high prices. Invest in professional development and training to enhance your skills and expertise, which can also justify higher prices. Network with other contractors and industry professionals to learn about best practices and pricing strategies. Seek feedback from clients and use it to improve your services and pricing. Remember that pricing is not just about covering your costs, but also about reflecting the value you bring to your clients. Consider the long-term benefits of your services, such as energy savings or increased property value, when determining your pricing. Be transparent and upfront about your pricing, and avoid hidden fees or charges. Provide detailed estimates that clearly outline the scope of work, materials, and labor costs. Use professional software or tools to create accurate and visually appealing estimates. Present your estimates in a clear and concise manner, and be prepared to answer any questions from clients. Follow up with clients after submitting your estimates to address any concerns or objections. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new clients or incentivize repeat business. Track your expenses and revenue to monitor your profitability and make informed pricing decisions. Regularly review your pricing to ensure that it is aligned with your business goals and market conditions. Don't be afraid to walk away from projects that are not profitable or that don't align with your values. Focus on building a sustainable and successful electrical contracting business by providing quality services at fair prices. Remember that pricing is an ongoing process, and it requires continuous evaluation and adjustment. Continuously seek ways to improve your efficiency and reduce your costs, which can allow you to offer more competitive prices. Invest in marketing and advertising to promote your services and attract new clients. Build a strong online presence through a website and social media to showcase your work and expertise. Ask for referrals from satisfied clients and reward them for their loyalty. Participate in community events and activities to raise awareness of your business and build relationships with potential clients. Join industry associations and organizations to stay connected with other professionals and learn about best practices. Attend trade shows and conferences to network with suppliers and learn about new products and technologies. Stay informed about changes in building codes and regulations to ensure that your work is always compliant. Invest in safety training and equipment to protect yourself and your employees from accidents and injuries. Maintain proper insurance coverage to protect your business from liability. Obtain all necessary licenses and permits to operate your business legally. Manage your finances responsibly and pay your taxes on time. Build a strong credit history to access financing and secure favorable terms with suppliers. Invest in technology and equipment to improve your efficiency and productivity. Streamline your processes and workflows to reduce waste and improve your profitability. Delegate tasks and responsibilities to employees to free up your time and focus on strategic initiatives. Continuously seek ways to improve your skills and knowledge through training and education. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the electrical industry. Network with other professionals and learn from their experiences. Seek mentorship from experienced contractors or business owners. Join online forums and communities to connect with other electricians and share ideas. Attend industry events and conferences to learn about new products and technologies. Read industry publications and blogs to stay informed about the latest trends and development. Invest in your personal development and well-being to stay motivated and focused. Set clear goals and objectives for your business and track your progress. Celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Build a strong team of employees and subcontractors to support your business. Treat your employees and subcontractors with respect and fairness. Provide them with opportunities for growth and development. Create a positive and supportive work environment. Communicate clearly and effectively with your employees and subcontractors. Provide them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. Recognize and reward their contributions to your business. Build strong relationships with your suppliers and negotiate favorable terms. Pay your suppliers on time and maintain good communication. Treat your suppliers with respect and fairness. Seek out new suppliers and compare prices to ensure that you are getting the best value. Build strong relationships with your clients and provide them with excellent customer service. Listen to their needs and concerns and respond promptly. Provide them with clear and accurate information. Be honest and transparent in your dealings with them. Go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Follow up with them after the completion of the project to ensure their satisfaction. Ask for their feedback and use it to improve your services. Build a reputation for quality workmanship and professionalism. Stand behind your work and warranty your services. Resolve any issues or complaints promptly and fairly. Take pride in your work and strive for excellence in everything you do. Build a strong brand and promote your business effectively. Create a professional website and social media presence. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your work. Write informative and engaging content. Optimize your website for search engines. Use online advertising to reach potential clients. Track your marketing efforts and measure your results. Build a strong financial foundation for your business. Create a budget and track your expenses. Manage your cash flow effectively. Invest in assets that will appreciate in value. Diversify your revenue streams. Protect your business from financial risks. Seek professional advice from accountants and financial advisors. Build a strong legal foundation for your business. Choose the right business structure. Draft contracts and agreements that protect your interests. Comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Protect your intellectual property. Seek legal advice from attorneys when necessary. Build a strong ethical foundation for your business. Operate with integrity and honesty. Treat your customers and employees fairly. Respect the environment. Contribute to your community. Give back to those in need. Build a strong foundation for long-term success. Focus on providing value to your customers. Build strong relationships with your stakeholders. Continuously improve your products and services. Adapt to changing market conditions. Embrace innovation and technology. Build a sustainable business that will thrive for years to come. Remember that building a successful electrical contracting business takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay focused on your goals and never give up on your dreams. With hard work and perseverance, you can achieve your goals and build a thriving business. Keep your focus on safety at all times. Always follow safety protocols. Be aware of your surroundings. Use proper PPE. Make sure all work areas are clean and uncluttered. Never work on live circuits unless absolutely necessary, and always use appropriate lockout and tagout procedures. Make sure that all your equipment is properly grounded. Be aware of potential hazards such as asbestos and lead paint and take appropriate precautions. Never take shortcuts or compromise on safety. Always prioritize safety above all else. Remember that safety is everyone's responsibility.